Hello students, today we are going to learn what is culture. Culture is an idea created and shared by a group of people. Culture includes behavioral products of others who preceded us. It indicates both substantial and abstract particulars that have prior existence in one form or another. It contained a way of life that will be followed by most of us who grow up in that context. Culture provides many meaning by creating significant categories like social practices and rules, as well as value, beliefs, and promises. It allows us to categorize and explain many important differences in human behavior that were previously attributed to biological differences. Social and cultural contexts within which human development takes place vary widely over time and place. A society is a group of people who occupy a particular territory and speak a common language not generally understood by neighboring people. A society may or may not be a single nation, but every society has its own culture, and it is culture that shapes human behavior from society to society. Culture is label for all the different features that vary from society to society. It is these different features of society whose influences psychologists want to examine in their studies of human behavior. Okay. Next we see in cultural transmission. We have seen earlier that a human being we are both biological and sociocultural creatures. We have a highly developed capacity to benefit from experiences of our own and those of others. No other creature has learning capacity to the same extent as we have. The processes of inculturation and socialization make us cultural beings. Inculturation. Inculturation refers to all learning that takes place without direct deliberate teaching. We learn certain ideas, concepts, and values simply because of their availability in our cultural context. Concepts are transmitted both directly and indirectly and are learned very well because they are an integral part of the life of a cultural group and are never questioned. Inculturation refers to all learning that occurs in human life because of its availability in our socio-cultural contexts. The key element of inculturation is learning by observation. Whenever we learn any content of our society by observation, inculturation is in evidence. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.